Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Brian Peterson. I'm the Technology Director for Satisloh North America. In this Tech Talk today, we're going to talk about processes. Satisloh has one of the largest catalogs of processes in our process portfolio, and we're going to go through some of that as an overview. Here you can see a broad spectrum of products that we sell. Today, we can put in any of our Satisloh equipment, from the smallest to the largest machines, starting with our standard AR processes, from value propositions all the way up to super premium processes like the ultimate AR stacks. Additionally, we have our Protect products, Protect Blue, Protect UV, and Complete Protection, which actually has UV on the backside and blue on the front, giving you a blue blocking category product on the front side and UV passing on the backside. In addition, we have some other premium processes, which is our premium driver. This is a high contrast night driving process developed specifically for the Skoda optic range nighttime driving processing. This is going to bring a higher level of definition while you're driving at night with your glasses on, eliminating those starburst effects and things like that, and better judge of distance and depth perception. And last but not least, we do have a fog-free product called fog-free. We're going to go into more detail on that now. Certified foggy lenses. This process, it's a very high performance process where we actually take an AR stack inside the chamber, treat the last layers of that stack to adapt to the exterior application of a treatment with a towelette, and this treatment will last up to 3 months with daily regeneration as needed. What we're going to do is take a couple of slides here and look at the common areas where fog is affecting our daily lives, whether that's industrial impact, going out of hot areas, hot to cold environments, or even the ever-present mask-wearing fog up in the backside of your glasses today. So here's what we're really doing. We're eliminating that fog. The nice thing about this process is it is front and back side. Easy cleanability still, unlike a lot of other anti-fog type products out there, which will achieve some anti-fog stability, but still very sticky and hard to clean. Some of the attributes on that, which it was totally random, but we have about a 90% antibacterial application with this product as well. Our solution, fog-free from Satisloh. It is a combination process, as I said, both an in-chamber and an out-of-chamber two-step process. Lasts a long time, really easy to regenerate, not a hassle at all. Each cloth will last you about 3 months, even if you're doing a daily regeneration based on what the application and your exposure to fog environments are. Here we see the stack a little bit closer. As I said, standard lens, hard coat, AR coating out of our deposition processes inside of the chamber, and then an external application of the active materials on the front side and the back side of the process of the lenses. So with that, kind of sums it up. Eliminate fog, makes it easy to wear, easy to clean, easy to maintain. I think we should see an example of that right now. So we're going to go over here to Steve and actually see a little demonstration. Steve, why don't you show us a treated lens, and let's see how that looks. So this lens right here is actually treated with our fog-free process in chamber with the towelette applied. And now let's see an untreated lens. Nice. That is not what we want. So on the left, our fog-free treated product looks great. Fog-free on both the front and the back. And obviously the untreated product fogged up immediately on the front and the back side. So, thank you very much. With that, I'm going to wrap it up. If there's any questions regarding the fog-free process products that we're providing, or any of the additional processes that we provide for you as a customer of Satisloh and Satisloh equipment, I'll be happy to take any questions, or you can see me after this little production, and we can talk about all of it in great detail.